I felt very honored to have him at my inauguration yesterday. It was a moment that lifted my spirits and gave a huge encouragement to us as South Africans that the president of important country like Nigeria, largest country by population on the continent, and large economy, could come and be in attendance at my inauguration. It's a great honor and a really great privilege. And I feel at home as well to have this moment to have a discussion with President Tinubu on a whole range of issues. And of course, we've set up a government of national unity, and I'm particularly pleased that the African continent has responded very positively to the news that we will continue stabilizing the politics of our country, but more importantly, that through the government of national unity we're setting a very strong foundation for economic growth and to be able to attract investments. But for me, what matters most is to be able to have very good economic links with Nigeria. The two countries, South Africa and Nigeria, are very important in our continent. And when the two countries work together, which we are, and we do things together, it benefits Africa. It is the two countries that are among the pillars of our continent. And I'm particularly pleased that we support each other internationally at various forums, the UN, and multilateral institutions, Nigeria and South Africa. I essentially joined at the hip and want to engender good economic and trade relations between our two countries to address the challenges that our two countries face. So it's been a great pleasure and an honor to have you here, Your Excellency. And that's why I felt I should come and pay my respects. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Your Excellency.